Hey guys, this is lesson 4.6 called Division and the Distributive Property. Essential question is, how can you use the distributive property to find quotients? Alright, so you might need some colored pencils or grid paper for this lesson. Alright, you can use a model and the distributive property to break apart numbers to make them easier to divide. To use the distributive property with division, find the quotient each smaller rectangle represents. Then find the sum of the quotients. Okay, so they want you to outline a rectangle on the grid to model 69 divided by 3. Shade columns of 3 until you have 69 squares. Okay, so that's the part that I'm going to really look at. Shade columns of 3 until you have 69 squares. Okay, so the first thing is I'm going to come over here and I'm going to work on 69 divided by 3. Okay, I'm going to use multiplication to help me figure this out. 3 times what can get as close as I can to basically 70. So 3 times 3 times 3 is 9, so I can't do that. Let's go 3 times 2. Okay, but I'm going to take it times 20, so I have 3 times 20 is 60. Okay, and then I'm going to go 3 times what could give me another 9, so I know 3 times 3, okay, equals 9. Okay, so then I'm going to come on the bottom. Okay, this is how I figure out division problems. Okay, then I'm going to add 60 plus 9, oh man, which is going to be 69. There we go. 69. Okay, and then, since this is the answer to my multiplication, but when I'm working on division, my answer is actually this middle problem. Okay, so 20 plus 3 is 23. So I now know that 23 times 3 equals 69. So that's what I'm going to make my array down here is a 23 by 3. Okay, so I'm going to come up here and go 1, 2, 3, and then I got to count 23 in one way. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and down. Okay, almost there. Oh, that was bad. In a hurry. I'm too much in a hurry. Okay, I'm doing my 23 across. Here we go. Okay, so I have a 23 on top. Okay, and 3 on the side. Okay, but they want is just 2. How many groups of 3 can you make? Okay, so I'm going to split this up a little bit, and I'm going to erase this 23 so I don't get confused. I'm going to break it up into 20, and then I'm going to break it up into 3. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, draw my line. Okay, so I'm going to fill this in with a color. Hopefully this works. Nope, did not work. Okay, I will color it in then. Okay, because remember from before, so the 20 plus 3 is 23. Okay, so now I can easily figure out, instead of just going what 23 times 3 is, I go 20 times 3. Okay, I know that that's going to be 60. Okay, and then 3 times 3 is 9. Okay, so there's 9 in there. Okay, so I'm going to come down here. How many groups of 3 can you make? Alright, so the answer would be 23, and that's how I got it, is right there. 23. 3. Man, pen is struggling today. Okay, so think of 69 as 60 plus 9. Break apart the model into two rectangles to show 60 plus 9 and then divide it by 3. Label and shade the smaller rectangles. Use two different colors. Okay, so this is the part that's the distributive property that we're going to be doing. So I have 69 divided by 3, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take 60 divided by 3 plus, then I had that 9 divided by 3. Okay, 60 divided by 3 is 20, and 9 divided by 3 is 3. Okay, 20 plus 3 is 23. So this is just another way that you could solve it using the distributive property. Okay, so we're going to come down here, outline another model to show 68 divided by 4. So how many groups of 4 can you make? So I'm just going to come up here and kind of do my strategy that I did over there. So 4 times what, as close as I can to like 70 probably, I guess. So let's see. 4 times 5, 4 times 6, 4 times 7, 4 times 8, 4 times 10, 4 times 11. So if I went 4 times, so I'm going to go 4 times 10. Oh, maybe. There you go. Okay, and I know that's 40. Okay, then I'm going to go to, let's see, it's as close as I can to 68. So 4 times